Hey, Mark Rice here. We created obstacles and enemy. I can destroy the enemy and now I will show you how to get an extra life. So let's start. First I will import the heart icon. Okay, cool. Now I will copy the icon. Just hold Ctrl keyboard button and drag the heart. I will increase it and find a good position. I can repeat it a few times. Great! The second step is a text. The text will be here and it will show the number of lives. So click with the right mouse button here and hit Insert New Object. Find Sprite Font icon and double click on it. As you can see, I've got the default font. The font doesn't fit in style of the game. So I will import mine. Go to text folder. Here you can choose between black and white font, depending on the color of the background. As you can see, it's pretty deformed. I need to set up right settings here. It's the custom font, so I have my settings. First, I will enter the value of width and height. Okay, now I need to fix space between the letters and stuff like that. I will copy this code. I have one for construct 3 and construct 2 as well. Copy and paste here in spacing depth. Okay, now I have all that I need. First select the text and go to Instance Variables. Add New, type name here. String, value of the text can be number. Okay, cool. Now I'm in main event and I need to create a global value. So click with the right mouse button and hit Add Global Variable. Type lives and enter number 1. It means every time at the start of the game my hero has 1 life. Now I will connect that number of lives with this text. So I will add a new event. Go to System and select every tick. I will select it and hit S keyboard button. Go to Sprite Font and choose Compare Instance Variable. Type here number. It means every time at the start of the game, the text will show the number of lives. As you can see, I have 1 here instead of lives text. Okay, now the hero needs to pick up the heart. Add new event, go to hero, select on collision with another object and select the heart. Add action, system, add to lives. 1. Cool, done. Okay, it means when the hero touches the heart, the system will add 1 life to the global number. I will destroy the heart at that moment. So go to the heart and select destroy. Let's test it. Cool, now it's 2 here. Opa! When the hero touches the obstacles or enemy, he will lose 1 life. So I will create a new condition. Okay, find hero on collision with green monster. And add action. Go to System, Subtract Form, 1 from lives. I will do this with the white monster as well. Okay, when the hero landed on the white monster, he doesn't lose his life, so I will add one value here. I have subtract 1 here and add 1 here, so it's 0. If you want to add 1 life on landed here, type 2 instead 1. Cool! Now one more thing. I need to restart layer and back to the beginning. Before I start with the new condition, I will create an animation for that part. Double click on the hero, create new animation and rename it. Import frames. Delete the first one and set up the polygon. Apply to whole animation. Check out the loop and increase the speed. Cool, okay, now it's time for a new event. Go to System, compare variable. If the life is less or equal to 0, add action, hero, set animation, dead. The system needs to wait 1 second. I need a time for the dead animation. Now I will add actions for the restart of the layout and global variables as well. Okay, let's test the game. Cool, that's it. In the next part I will show you how to add more obstacles and how to move the hero beyond the screen. So stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.